What's up, everybody? You know it's your boy Audio back with another video, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Alright, guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use Puffin TV remote. Yes, guys, I show you guys how to install Puffin TV. I'm gonna show you how to, oh man, alright, there it is. This is Puffin TV right here. Okay, guys, and let's get busy now, guys. Okay, so this is Puffin TV right here. Okay, guys, if you don't know how to install this Puffin TV, I will leave a link right up here just to show you guys how to install it. And when you install it, I will click back on this video and show you how to install the remote. But there's a thing about it, guys. The Puffin TV remote do not work like regular remotes. Okay, it only work with the browser. Guys. So and you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi in order for this to work. You have to connect the same Wi-Fi that your TV is connected to. Your phone has to connect to it also. Okay, guys, so remember, you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi and as your TV is in order for this to work. Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to click on Puffin TV right here, and it will bring up the browser right here. So now, guys, what I'm gonna show you, it's loading up now. You're on this screen right here. Okay, I want you to stay on this screen right here, and I'm gonna show you guys how to install the remote, but you will have to have a phone. So now I'm gonna show you how to get it on your phone. Okay, guys, so just give me a couple seconds. Alright, guys, so now we're on a phone right here, and what I want you guys to do now, I want you guys to search for Play Store. I want you to search for Play Store right here. This is it. Just search it and click on it. And when you click on it, guys, alright, when you click on it like this, I want you to click on search, and you're gonna type in Puffin TV remote. Okay, guys, so you will type in Puffin TV remote on your phone. What we're gonna do, we're gonna click it, and you will get to this right here. Okay, so when you get to this right here, you're gonna click install, and we're gonna allow this to install right here. So it's give it a couple seconds to install. Okay, now it's installed, guys. What I want you to do now, I want you to come back off by pressing this arrow, this button right here. You're gonna come off, and we're gonna search for it, and there it is. It pop up right here. Okay, it pop up right here. So what I want you guys to do now, I want you guys to click on it, and when you click on it, it will give you this right here. Okay, Puffin TV remote. Okay, it will give you this. What I want you to do, I want you to swipe the screen. So swipe the screen, and it will give you some instruction right here. I'm telling you about the app, okay, and it show you the features that it has, okay. We're gonna swipe again, and then when you swipe again, it will give you this. It will show you that you can use it as a mouse, okay. You can use it as a mouse, okay guys. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna swipe again. Now when we swipe again, it will give us this. This is the part that you want to be at, okay guys. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take up the phone, and it's gonna tell me to scan my TV, okay. So when I click on the start button, it will give me this right here. And when you click on this, because you have focus, because you have already put your TV on Puffin TV, it automatically find it, okay. There is a warning at the lower side right here. Now my TV is not that version, okay. My TV is below that version, okay. So the Puffin TV, but this is telling you you need that version of Puffin TV, okay. If you don't know how to install Puffin TV, I will leave a link right up here again, or I think I've done it already, but this is it. So what we're gonna do, when we find the Puffin TV, we're gonna click on the name Smart TV. Bam. When we click on the name Smart TV, guys, we will get this right here, okay. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you something. Alright guys, so now we're on the we have connected. So I'm gonna press this, and you will see, look at it, it's changing. I'm changing it, okay. This is how it works, but the thing is, it only works on the browser. It only works on the browser, guys. It only works on the browser. I'm gonna show you one more stuff. Alright, so now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you that and this is just the arrow, right arrow, left arrow, down arrow. The circle is okay. You click on something and it will show you. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you the alright, let's click on YouTube. So we are on YouTube right here. We're gonna click on the remote, and it will give you this right here. So now this is YouTube. This is YouTube right here, okay. We're gonna search. You can search by clicking on the search button right here on your phone. Click on the search button, and it will give you this right here. But let's cancel that. Let's use the arrow. Here is the arrow. Look on the TV. The TV has the arrow. Here it is. The TV have the arrow. So we're gonna do, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go on the search bar up here. We're gonna go on the search bar, and when we go on the search bar, it will give us this same thing like what's on the TV, but similar. And we're gonna type in audio tech and tips. Alright, so we're gonna type in Odell Tech Tip, okay guys, and we're gonna click send. We're gonna click send, and we're gonna send it. and when we send it, we're gonna go and use our mouse to click on the search button up there, and there it is. And we're gonna click on, we're gonna search, and here it is. This is my channel right here, and I'm gonna start in the middle. Bam. And there it is. That's my channel right there, guys, and you can see it works. You can see the arrow, it works. Okay, and so guys, this is how you install Puffin TV on your remote. To install Puffin TV remote on your smart cloud TV Imperial, if you want to come off, all you got to do is press this button right here that says circle button, and it will go back. At the bottom of your remote, on your bottom of your phone, you will see a back button right here on the phone, and you click the back button and it will carry you back. Now you use the arrow and click the circle, and it will carry you back to right here. Now if you want to come off Puffin TV, you're gonna click back again and click it twice, and there you come off, and it will still give you the option to go on it, but from here the remote do not work. Okay guys, so that is it. That is how you install Puffin TV on your smart cloud TV Imperial. So it's a remote. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Guys, please hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit that post notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. Oh, one more thing. If you should not see the logo that's on your TV, click search for Puffin TV, and when you click search, it will give you this message right here. Okay, I'm trying to make you see it. It's this right there. You're gonna click allow, and then you will scan the TV like this. Okay, and then you're gonna press back this arrow button right here. That is if you don't see it. Okay, and you should see Puffin TV load up. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please guys, I will see you in the next video.